Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to do a presentation on Vikrama Suratu Bandaru. Our group consists of Muhammad Imam Awali, Omar Abdul Jabbar, and Kenran Al Rashid. We are making this presentation to fulfill the assignment for this English class. In this presentation, we will talk about description of the earthquake, although its disaster mitigation. Before the presentation, I explain what an earthquake is. Earthquake is vibrations that occur on the Earth's surface due to the sudden release of internal energy which creates seismic wave. Earthquakes are usually caused by the movement of the Earth crust. And next, Imam Awali.
Then the variety of the earthquake. The first is tectonic earthquake. Tectonic earthquake is earthquake caused by shifting of tectonic plates. This earthquake occurs because of the large amount of energy generated due to the pressure between the rock plates in the bowel of the earth. An earthquake that happens under ocean surface will create tsunami. In the below is the example of the tectonic earthquake. The first example is earthquake under the sea is caused by the tsunami in the Aceh, and the second is earthquake on the Earth's surface caused in the Palu. And the second, volcanic earthquake. Below the Earth's crust, there is a layer of the mantle where the temperature is much hotter. In this layer, there is magma activity that can push into a series of volcanoes. The force of magma activity that wants to get out to the Earth's surface can cause vibration. There is two examples in here, Sinabung earthquake and Kluk earthquake. Okay, next.
And next is earthquake ruins. Earthquake ruins is an earthquake that happened because landslide or limestone mountains or other ruins. This earthquake is very quick because of its small magnitude. And next, artificial earthquake. Artificial earthquake is a deliberate event that causes big vibration in the ground to cause an earthquake. And the example like technology, nuke explosion, and falling meteor. And next, Indonesia's earthquake. Indonesia is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is an area that often experiences natural disasters such as earthquake and volcanic eruption. About 90% of the earthquakes that occur and 81% of the largest earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire. We can see in here there is graphic of Indonesian earthquake and many of point Indonesia earthquake. Next.
Next one, how to save yourself from an earthquake. First, use helmet or other shelter to reduce base impact from hard objects like building debris or ruins. Second one, if you are indoors, take shelter under a table, door, or stand on the side of strong building, such as a corner of a building that has a frame. Next, stay away from high objects like trees, building, power pole. These objects has a chance to collapse during an earthquake, so it's better to avoid and move away from them and seek a safe shelter. That's it from us. Is there any question?
Okay, I'm Datang. I want to ask to all of you, how can we prevent the large losses caused by earthquakes?
From Mr. Fayad or maybe Mr. Faki?
Can I ask any question?
Okay, time is yours.
Okay, my question is, what are the factors that cause an earthquake, or how is earthquake happens?
Okay. And next, maybe from Faki Ulumuddin.
Okay. I have a question. My question is, between the causes, what is the dangerous causes that can produce or generate earthquake with great scale, and why that? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for all the question. Give me time for discuss about it. Thank you. Okay. I will answer the question from Faki Ulumuddin. Okay, in my opinion, the earthquake that has the most potential to cause losses is volcanic earthquake, because due to the material loss and casualties caused by this disaster to be doubled, namely from the eruption of the mountain and the earthquake itself. Okay, that's from me.
And second, I will answer the question of Mr. Tatang. So, Mr. Tatang, we cannot avoid the loss from earthquake. We just can reduce loss of earthquake. So, how to reduce the loss from earthquake? First, the foundation of your house of the material of your house must be of good quality and take care of it is bad. Second, the foundation of structure of your house must be earthquake resistant like Japanese building structure. Such a simple building structure and the symmetrical building can withstand the effect of shock earthquakes are better than irregularly shaped buildings. And lastly, you can insure it to make up for your losses. That's the answer, Mr. Tatang.
Okay, thank you, Omar.
Okay, I will answer the question from Mr. Fayad. The answer is the cause of the earthquake due to the plate shift is influenced by the release of a large amount of energy. Apart from shifting the earth plates, the motion of the earth plates which move away from one another can also cause earthquakes. That's my answer, Mr. Fayad.
Thank you, Mr. Fikri.
Okay, maybe if there is no question again, I will close the presentation. Thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.